Good morning, everyone. Hard to follow Jane, who I just, from a personal and professional perspective, I just adore. And we could not have done all of this the past 2 days. We could not have, orchestrated the programs that we've been orchestrating without Jane's partnership. So, and speaking of partners, unfortunately, Jerome Lee, who's also a really endeared and valued partner of ours who runs Health Tech Without Borders. He's an ER physician from Mass General, but he also is vice chair of the Surgical Intensive Care Unit. So unfortunately, Jerome just got back from the UAE with a very high fever, and so he's resting up and trying to recover. Jerome introduced us to the keynote speakers, and I have to say that I was a little bit starstruck when I met Karen and Erwin, and you made it much easier with your warmth and your Hamishness, and thank you for that. But when Jerome made that introduction, I was, again, quite starstruck. But so I will tell you about their amazing backgrounds. But Dr. Redlener is the co-founder and president of the Ukraine Children's Action Project, a non-profit organization dedicated to supporting children impacted by the war. He is also adjunct senior research scholar at Columbia University School of International and Public Affairs and adjunct professor of pediatrics at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine. He's also founding director of Columbia's National Center for Disaster Preparedness. He's written multiple books, including Americans at Risk, Why Are We Not Prepared for Mega Disasters and What Can We Do Now? And also The Future of Us, What the Dreams of Children Mean for 21st Century America. Karen Redlener is the executive director and co-founder of Ukraine's Children's Action Project. She's the co-founder and executive director of Children's Health Fund. She's committed her career to improving the health and well-being of children impacted by extreme adversity, including poverty, natural disasters, and war. She's the co-founder of the Children's Health Fund, which was founded in 1987, along with her husband, pediatrician Erwin Redlener, and singer-songwriter Paul Simon. In 2022, Karen also then co-founded, again with her husband, the Ukraine's Children's Action Project, which focuses on urgent educational, mental health, and medical needs of Ukraine's displaced and traumatized children. So without further ado, we welcome the Redleners, and we're very excited to hear from you.